Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight's video we are going to do a full post review on this gorgeous painting from the Meian Store off of AliExpress. This is the Great Wall. It is a 40 by 120 full round drill with 3 ABs and special shape drills. I am so pleased with the way this painting has turned out, and I'm hoping that the camera, sorry, I'm going to move the I'm going to zoom in a bit, but I'm hoping this camera will pick up those beautiful ABs in this painting. So I'm just going to focus in a little bit on this, and you can see all of that detail in this painting. It is just gorgeous. Oops, sorry. I do apologize for my voice, guys. I am sick. Actually, I'm technically homesick. I just couldn't work today. Anyway, I'm going to end up paying for it because my work is just piling up, and I'm going on holidays next week. Yeah. Hopefully this will go away. But anyway, that's beside the point. So there it is. There is the Great Wall right there. I'm just going to pan this camera around so that you can see parts of this painting. The detail in this painting is amazing. It is immaculate. I'm just going to lift the camera up, so there might be a bit of jolting, so I do apologize for that. I just want to lift this up so you can see the cherry blossom tree there, and that's where all of your special shaped drills are going to be. And you can see some of that nice shimmer from the ABs, and they are all over this canvas, guys, all over. You have white ABs, 310 ABs, and lime green ABs. They are beautiful. So, as I said, this is a very long canvas. This is the biggest canvas I have done to date, and I am very, very pleased with the way it turned out. Very pleased with this. So I'm just going to pan this back slowly to the center so that I can zoom back out. And sorry if my fingers get in the frame. There we go. Now, unfortunately, I had to put it on my sofa. I couldn't put it anywhere else because if I put it on the floor, I would take the chance of having dog hair all over that canvas. So, sofa was, you know, the best choice. So anyway, let me go over some details with you on this painting. Now, I purchased this back on October. Let me get to my page here. Yeah, so I purchased the painting on October 15th, 2019. I received it October 28th, 2019. And believe me, if you haven't seen my unboxing for this painting, I will have it linked down below in the description if you're interested. This box came to me in a total destroyed wreck. And it wasn't caused from the store. It was caused from Canada Post. Anyway, we won't go there. I started the painting on January 20th, and I finished on February 10th. I paid $30.53 for this painting, and let me say it is worth every penny that I paid for it. The drills on this kit were very nice. I had very, very little garbage. Unfortunately, I was not able to use my mesh ruler on this painting because the rows wouldn't align up with the mesh ruler. Now, if you are a fan of confetti and a fan of color blocking, you will love this painting. If you are not a fan of confetti, you will not like this painting. There is quite a bit of confetti in here, but there is some color blocking. So it's solely up to what you enjoy doing. But just to warn you, there is some confetti into this, but there is color blocking. So now I did have one issue with this painting as I was working it, and I don't know if it was the store printer was running out of ink or if it was their software program, but there were 3 symbols that were extremely difficult to decipher, and that was the S symbol, the money sign symbol, and the number 4. Unfortunately, all 3 of these were basically similar colors, and they were right next to each other. So if you see like all the browns around the wall area and the mountain part, that's where it was. And I'll tell you, even with my magnifiers and my light pad, I still had to bring an extra magnifier in just to be able to make sure that it wasn't one or the other. I had to make sure that it was either an S or a $sign or the 4. So I am warning you on that. Now this could be just a fluke thing. You know, it does happen that their ink starts to run out of their printers or whatnot, but just giving you, you know, that warning. Now, would I recommend this painting? Hands down, yes. This was a joy to work on, and not quite sure how I'm going to frame it and what I'm going to do with that, but it was just a pleasure to work on. This is poured glue, so those of you that like poured glue, you will love this painting. That is basically all I've got on this. If you have any questions or want to know a little bit more about this painting, please let me know down below in the comments, and also let me know what you think. I would love to hear from all of you. Love reading your comments. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video, everyone, and by saying that if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. And if you didn't like the video, I'm totally okay with that, but if you can be so kind as to go down below in the comments and let me know what you didn't like about the video. That way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That button will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it is evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name is Jene, and thank you for joining me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.